In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use merge tags in Mailchimp with a simple step-by-step approach. Whether you're new to Mailchimp or just looking to refine your skills, understanding merge tags is crucial for personalizing your email campaigns effectively. Let's dive right in. First things first, we'll begin by accessing merge tags in your audience settings. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, head over to the Audience section, which you'll find on the main menu, and select All Contacts. This is where you can see all your audience data in one place. Now click on Manage Audience. In the drop-down, choose Audience Fields and Merge Tags. Here, you'll be presented with default fields such as email, fname, and lname. These are your basic merge tags, and they help pull in personal information from your contact list into your emails. If you need to, you can also add custom fields at this stage, allowing even more personalized interactions with your audience. Once you've got your settings configured, it's time to insert merge tags into your campaign. In the Campaign Builder, position your cursor at the spot in your email where you want the personalized content to appear. This could be in the greeting line, body, or even the subject line. Now, find the Merge Tags drop-down in the Editor toolbar. Click it, and you'll see a list of available merge tags. Select the appropriate one, like fname. If you want to address the subscriber by their first name. Remember, it's crucial to surround your merge tags with transhi and hurshanenam, so that they function correctly within your email content. After you've inserted your merge tags, it's a smart practice to set a fallback value. Go back to Audience Fields and Merge Tags, and click the Edit button next to the field you're working with. Here, there's an option called Default Merge Tag Value. Enter a fallback value such as Valued Customer. This ensures that if any subscriber's specific field is blank, they still receive a personalized experience. Next, let's ensure everything's in order by using Preview mode in your Campaign Builder. Toggle on the Enable Live Merge Tag Info feature to get a clearer picture of how the email will display to actual subscribers. This step is key to catching any errors in personalization before it goes live. To further verify, consider sending a test email to yourself or a small segment of your audience. Testing ensures the merge tags function exactly as intended, giving your subscribers a seamless and personalized email experience. By following these steps, you'll confidently use merge tags in Mailchimp to create more engaging and personalized email campaigns. Happy emailing, and until next time, keep connecting with your audience.